Ever wondered how crucial testosterone is to the human body? Well, let's delve into that. Testosterone, a hormone primarily produced in men's testicles and women's ovaries, plays a key role in shaping our health and well-being. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating various bodily functions to create a harmonious symphony. It manages muscle mass, bone density, and sex drive, among other things. But here's the thing, both men and women need this hormone, albeit men require more. For men, it's like the fuel that powers their engine, driving masculine traits and reproductive function. Women, on the other hand, need it in smaller quantities, but it's still critical for maintaining their overall health. So, you see, testosterone isn't just about muscles and machismo. It's an essential part of our biological blueprint, a key player in the game of life. So, how can we naturally increase our testosterone levels? Stay tuned to find out. Our first step to boosting testosterone naturally centers around regular exercise. Regular physical activity is not just good for your overall health, but it's a potent natural testosterone booster. There are numerous types of exercise that can help promote testosterone production. Resistance training, such as weightlifting, is a powerful stimulus for testosterone synthesis. It helps build muscle mass and strength, which in turn can lead to increased levels of this essential hormone. But don't discount cardio. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is also highly beneficial. These short, intense bursts of exercise can help stimulate testosterone production and have been shown to provide a longer-lasting boost than steady-state exercise. However, it's not just about the type of exercise you do, but how consistently you do it. A sporadic workout here and there won't cut it. Regularity is paramount in your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise and testosterone. Next, we look at the role of a balanced diet in increasing testosterone levels. Imagine your body as a complex machine, and the food you consume is the fuel that keeps it running smoothly. For optimal functioning, especially in terms of hormone production, your body requires a balanced intake of nutrients. Lean proteins, found in foods like chicken, fish, and legumes, are essential building blocks. Healthy fats, such as those from avocados, nuts, and olive oil, play a crucial role in hormone production, including testosterone. Don't forget your greens. Vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health and hormone balance. Now let's talk about eating habits. Overeating can lead to weight gain and lower testosterone levels. Conversely, constant dieting or extreme calorie restriction can also negatively affect your testosterone production. So, moderation is key. In essence, a well-rounded diet is a natural booster for your testosterone. Now let's talk about the connection between sleep and testosterone. You see, our bodies are like well-oiled machines, and sleep is a vital part of this mechanism. When we sleep, our bodies get to work, repairing, rejuvenating, and crucially for testosterone, regenerating. Quality sleep contributes significantly to the production of testosterone. In fact, research suggests that most of your daily testosterone release occurs during sleep, with levels peaking in the early morning hours. This means that a good night's sleep is not just a luxury, but a necessity for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. On the flip side, sleep deprivation can have negative effects on your testosterone. Lack of sleep can disrupt the natural rhythm of testosterone production, leading to lower levels in your body. This can affect everything from your mood, energy levels, to your physical performance. So, whether you're hitting the gym or the books, remember to hit the sack on time too. A good night's sleep is more powerful than you think. Moving on, we address two lifestyle factors: stress and alcohol. Chronic stress, more than just causing you to lose your hair, can actually lower your testosterone levels. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with testosterone production. So, how do we manage stress? Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a balanced diet can all help. But also consider mindfulness practices such as meditation or yoga. Now let's talk about alcohol. Heavy alcohol use can also negatively affect your testosterone levels. It's not about completely avoiding it, but rather practicing moderation. A drink here and there won't drastically affect your hormone levels, but excessive consumption can. So the next time you're about to reach for that third or fourth beer, maybe opt for a glass of water instead. Remember, these are not quick fixes. They require commitment and consistency. Healthy lifestyle choices can make a significant difference. Did you know that certain vitamins and minerals can help boost your testosterone? It's true. Let's talk about one of the most important ones, vitamin D. Often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, it plays a pivotal role in testosterone production. Research indicates that men with sufficient levels of vitamin D have higher testosterone levels than those deficient in it. But how do you ensure enough vitamin D intake? The best source is natural sunlight. However, if you live in an area with limited sunshine, consider taking vitamin D supplements to meet your body's requirements. Now let's shift our focus to essential minerals, particularly zinc. This mineral is vital for numerous bodily functions, including testosterone production. Foods rich in zinc include oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds. But if your diet lacks these, mineral supplements are a handy alternative. Remember, your body needs the right building blocks to produce testosterone. Our final step involves regular visits to your healthcare provider. Now you might be thinking, why is this necessary? Well, just like a car needs routine inspections to ensure it runs smoothly, our bodies need regular checkups to monitor our overall health. These checkups aren't only about maintaining your testosterone levels, they offer a broader perspective on your health, helping you to identify any potential issues that may be lurking under the surface. Early detection is key in managing health concerns effectively. Think of it as your personal health report card. It gives you an insight into how well your body is functioning, and if there's a need for improvement, you can take action promptly. Remember, your testosterone levels are not an isolated aspect of your health. They're intertwined with your overall well-being. Therefore, regular checkups play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy balance. So don't delay those appointments. Keep track of your health and take action when necessary. Stay proactive about your health. Let's recap our journey to boosting testosterone naturally. We've traversed through 8 essential steps, each as significant as the last, all aimed at promoting a healthier, more vibrant you. Our journey started with regular exercise, a powerful tool to kickstart your body's natural testosterone production. Whether it's resistance training, cardio workouts, or a mix of both, keeping your body active is the first step towards a healthier hormone balance. Next, we ventured into the realm of balanced diet. We learned that food is fuel, and the right fuel can make all the difference. A diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and a wide variety of fruits and vegetables can help maintain optimal testosterone levels. Our third step was all about rest. Adequate sleep, we discovered, is integral to hormone production. It's during those peaceful hours of slumber that your body rejuvenates, repairs, and replenishes, setting the stage for a healthy testosterone balance. Then we delved into the importance of minimizing stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your hormone balance. But by managing stress through mindfulness techniques, relaxation, and leisure activities, you can help keep your testosterone levels in check. On to step 5, where we touched upon the need to limit alcohol. Overindulgence can impede your body's natural ability to produce testosterone. However, moderate consumption, particularly of red wine, can have a beneficial effect. Our 6th and 7th steps introduced us to the world of vitamin D and mineral supplements. These nutrients are vital for testosterone production. With a little sunshine and the right supplements, you can ensure your body has the building blocks it needs. Finally, we rounded off our journey with regular checkups. Regular medical examinations can help detect any potential imbalances early, allowing for timely intervention and treatment. In essence, boosting testosterone naturally is about embracing a lifestyle that promotes overall health and well-being. Each step we've discussed today plays a crucial part in nurturing your body and keeping it functioning at its best. Remember, it's all about nurturing your health naturally. Stay healthy, stay strong,